Good morning, hi, hello, I'm Monique, and it's currently Saturday, and today I'm gonna cut my hair, guys. After a year, I'm finally cutting my hair, and ibibenta ko siya, which is very praying, manifesting na it's good, and yeah, see you in a bit. Hi, editing Monique here. So while editing this video, I noticed na sobrang ikli lang ng clip na nakukuha ko, and guys, hindi pa ako nakapag-video while cutting my hair since parang nahihiya po ako sa owner ng salon, and I hope you understand that. So that's all, thank you, and I hope that you enjoy this vlog. So kakauwi ko lang, and it's currently 5, so like in a little bit ipapakita ko na sila yung hair ko, and I already sobrang liit niya kasi sobrang nipis niya, and yeah, nabenta ko naman siya, but I did not like the result, guys. Pero sana madadala siya na styling, and yeah, see you in a bit. Yay guys! My hair is finally short, and mabuti naman nadala siya ng styling. So yeah, it's pretty good naman. Again, it's editing Monique, and napansin ko na wala pala akong goodbye video. So like, this video is finally done, guys, and thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye!